Experiment is about PCM. Along with line code, I must have explained you the theory. Basic thing is PCM performance is improved when the number of bits that are used, the number of bits that will be used to encode a given voltage level are more. That means more the value of n, better will be the performance. N determines the number of levels that are quantization levels that are there. It is equal to 2 raised to n. More the number of levels, error is going to reduce, and if error is reduced, the performance of the system is going to be improved. Here in this particular board, we are going to perform two experiments. One is normal study of PCM without compounding, and second is study of PCM with compounding. So here we have a signal generator. There is a ADC 0809. ADC is analog to digital conversion. It's sampling, quantizing, encoding. So PCM encoder है ये, और DAC will act as PCM decoder. So there will be encoder and decoder both things. We will not be able to observe the input and output. That is कि input analog signal दिया और output digital मिला. यहाँ पे इनपुट भी एनालॉग होगा और बिकॉज डिजिटल का एनालॉग है आउटपुट विल आल्सो बी एनालॉग बट देयर विल बी सम एरर बिटवीन टू सो वी विल बी एनालाइजिंग दैट एरर एंड पर्टिकुलरली इट इज सेड दैट इन पीसीएम नंबर ऑफ बिट्स बढ़ते हैं तो परफॉर्मेंस इंप्रूव होता है दैट वी आर गोइंग टू वेरीफाई सो टू स्टार्ट द एक्सपेरिमेंट फर्स्ट as always we are going to check out the range of signal which is available with us. So the first thing is see what is the input. You can see that this is the input sinusoidal signal. The amplitude of this signal can be varied using this knob and frequency can be varied using this knob. Check out what is minimum, what is maximum. The minimum frequency is around 14 Hertz. Maximum frequency is around 990 Hertz. So to start our experiment, first we will be working at very low frequency, that is 20 Hertz. So the frequency of input signal will be 20 Hertz. And amplitude we are going to keep it as equal to 1 volt peak to peak. So here you can see the peak to peak is 1.68. That is 1.20. Now before going for the experiment, one adjustment is required to be done. So in PCM system, in ADC and DAC, the noise is actual signal. यहाँ पे actual signal connect होगा. It is given to a separator minus the recovered signal. तो recovered signal हम यहाँ पे connect to the input of the separator. So there should be difference between actual and recovered signal only. Now when ADC and DAC is implemented, there is certain reference DC voltage that is used. That DC voltage is used to generate the quantization level. Now if the DC level used at ADC and DAC, if they are different, that difference will be reflected in the output as error. So it will be error other than the actual signal. तो हमको वो नहीं चाहिए. इसके लिए initially we are supposed to adjust that DC value. So channel 1, now you can see that it is 0. Why? Because it is in AC coupling and we are supposed to observe the DC. So when you go for DC coupling, here you get the DC. You can see the DC line. Now see, once you adjust this type voltage scale, इसको हाथ नहीं लगाना. क्या करना है? सिर्फ कर्सर लेना है. Source channel 1 amplitude type का and bring one cursor at this DC level. मतलब इसको मार्क करके रख रहा हूँ so that I'll be able to adjust the second. इसको निकाल के अब DAC के आउटपुट पे चेक करें. You can see a DC voltage. This DC line is there. Using this knob, adjust it exactly equal to the line because that is the DC voltage at ADC. एक बार ये एडजस्टमेंट कर दिया तो हमको सिंपली क्या करना है? कनेक्ट दिस एट द इनपुट. देयर विल बी एनालॉग टू डिजिटल एंड डिजिटल टू एनालॉग कन्वर्जन. बिकॉज इट इज इन DC coupling, you can see the wave is shifted. So change the coupling to AC so that it will be accent. तो थोड़ा जूम करेंगे so that observation ठीक है. Now observe this. This is almost like original signal. When all three switches are on left side, when all of them are left side, it is 8-bit PCM. 8-bit PCM. राइट. सो रिकवरी इज बेटर. अब इसको केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व करो, ये साइन वेव को. व्हेन आई शिफ्ट फर्स्ट स्विच टू राइट, यहाँ पे थोड़े थोड़े डिस्टॉर्शंस आ गए थे इसके ऊपर. केयरफुली देखो, दिस एंड दिस distortions are increased. So when first switch is on right, it is 7 bit PCM. Next on right, that is 6 bit. You can see clearly now the distortions are increased, and even more. So you can say that as the number of bits are decreasing, the performance of the PCM system is decreasing. This observation only once you are supposed to do. Draw all the signals. After that, what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to measure the noise. Noise measurement is simple. इसको सब लेफ्ट साइड में ले लो. Noise is different between actual and record signal. Actual signal is internally connected. You can see the line connected over here. This is externally you are supposed to connect. Here the noise will be displayed. So now serial number of bits, noise voltage and SNR. V in हमने रखा था 1 वोल्ट और F in था हमारा 20 हर्ट्ज. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 observation for 8, 7, 6 and 5 bits. Now you can see for 8 bit noise is 0.3 to 0.03 to 0.017. ठीक है, 17. So उसका एवरेज ले लो, मतलब 0.010. आगे फिर 7 करो, कितना रीडिंग है देखो. सारे रीडिंग लेना. SNR is equal to 20 log V in divided by N. दैट इज दिस 1 वोल्ट डिवाइडेड बाय ये नॉइस वोल्टेज जो है. इसके बाद क्या करना है, सेम टेबल, सब कनेक्शन सेम रहेंगे. दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी इंस्टेड ऑफ एफ इन इक्वल टू 20 हर्ट्ज यू विल मेक इट एज इक्वल टू 500 हर्ट्ज एंड सेम टेबल विल बी रिपीटेड. चेक आउट वेदर एसएनआर इज इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू चेंज इन द बिट्स.
ओके.
एंड देन चेक आउट फॉर से 8 बिट, इसका एसएनआर कितना होता है, इसका एसएनआर. Based on that you will be able to draw the conclusion. So only one connection is there. Performance wise very simple.